Thiko ya kere kuma mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ahithuria ati kwari na njama yabangitwo niguo kuraga uria urari muikariri gito wa kamiti ya ithurano bururi-ini Wafula Chebukati. Hindi ya githurano kihituku riu mirugamo ngurani ni ithiite na mbere kwiyumiria kumana na miario ino. Akiaria hindi ya giikaro na andiki a mohoro, Minista munene bururi-ini Musalia Mudavadi ni anyitite mbaru riendekithia ria kumbwo gwa kamiti ya mwanya ya guthuthuria ciiko ici cia hindi ya githurano kihituku niguo guthaitira gugicokera ringi gwa ciiko ta ici, akiuga uhithuri uyu wa president uri na uma.
The other time we lost Musando, and then again in this build-up and this other process we lost somebody else. These are Kenyans who are being employed to perform constitutional duties. Why do we make them live and work in fear? And that is the question that we need to answer, so that as we go forward, democracy is consolidated.
Miario ino yukite thiku imwe thutha wa mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni kuuga ari na uira ati Raila Odinga niwe wahotanire githurano kia mwaka muhituku. Indi kura ciake ikiiywo ceceni-ini itiganite cia utari wa kura, undu uria Mudavadi atianiirie ta mutuhuko utari na kiene. Riri seneta wa Tana River Danson Mugatana agwetete miario ino ta ugwati munene kuri thayu wa bururi.
Where was this whistleblower when the matters were at the Supreme Court? All right. So to me, you know, there are some people who are actually testing the imaginations of Kenyans.
Mudavadi ningi ni ahuthirite giikaro giki na andiki a mohoro gutianiria muhuhu ukoretwo gitambio ati kuri na ndũgamano gatagati ka wabici yake na ya munini wa mutongoria wa bururi. Akiuga mawira mao ni matauritwo wega ni watho uria wekirirwo kirore na mutongoria wa bururi, noguo hatire na mweke wothe wa gucungiriria ndũgamano.
When you are in government, you work as a team, okay? And we are working as a team. So I hope I can allay those fears. That's why I've not even been commenting about it until today.
Mwene-ini wake mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka augite ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja ni karuta ndumiriri nginyaniru wona mutongoria wa Raila Odinga acokererie bururi-ini kuma bururi-ini wa South Africa kuri ari icera-ini ria kiwira rungu rwa urumwe wa mabũrũri ma Afrika AU.
According to Azimio la Umoja One Kenya, the data calls into question the outcome of the presidential elections and the credibility and legitimacy of our entire electoral system and infrastructure. Fourthly, Azimio One Kenya leadership with its members will fully deliberate and discuss this data and provide the country with the next course of action.
So this data was sat on deliberately by the IEBC, having known what they did, and the court allowed them.
Girivo Chara Kameme TV, Jitego Mora, Wagunya.